In this video, I wanted to talk about Revolut, which is a great digital banking alternative, and show you guys Revolut's new stainless steel metal card and its services. In general, I don't care about the design of the debit or credit cards, but this one is made of the actual piece of stainless steel. In fact, this is the most premium card I've ever had, and it comes in equally premium packaging. The metal looks and feels expensive and is much harder to bend than a traditional plastic card. The copper antenna is fused with a steel body to enable seamless contactless payments. I also like the fact that your details are on the opposite side of the card, meaning that others won't be able to see it when you make payments in public places. Obviously, it's not all about the looks of the card. Let's talk about what makes the Revolut a great digital banking alternative and the actual benefits of owning a Revolut metal. Just before we do that, I want you to do a quick walkthrough of the Revolut app that is available both on Android and iOS. First of all, it takes just a few minutes to set up your account. Then you need to sign up into the app every time you open it up. I chose to do that using the fingerprint scanner. Basically, the Revolut allows you to spend your money all over the world while avoiding rubbish fees, exchange currencies, get money at any ATM, make payments, and so on and so forth. You can also have different accounts for different currencies that is really useful while traveling. For instance, I visited Morocco last year and I exchanged euros to Morocco dirhams in just a second at the best possible rate, and I didn't have to waste my time looking for a local bank to exchange currency. The rates are excellent, so you can save a lot of money comparing to exchanging currency at the bank. I also took the cash out of the ATM machine in Marrakesh without any fees, which was actually one of the main reasons why I got a Revolut card before going on this trip. Even though Revolut is sponsoring this video, I've been using their services for a year now. In fact, you can get a Revolut card absolutely for free if you use the link down below the video, which I highly suggest you to do that since it's absolutely free and you'll not lose anything if you try it. The Revolut app also shows analytics data that helps you see where you spend your money and plan your budget. Another great feature, you can send payments to other users who use Revolut, and it takes just a few seconds to do that. In the card section, you can freeze your card, view the PIN code, enable additional protection, set monthly spending amount, and so on. Again, everything happens instantly. For example, you freeze or unfreeze your card in just a moment. Compare it to your current card. If you lost it, you would need to call the bank to block it. I also like the location-based security system. For example, if someone steals your card and wants to make a transaction with it, but the card is not near your phone, that person won't be able to do that. Now let's talk about the actual services you get with the Revolut metal. First, you can earn up to 1% cashback on every card payment, which is really cool. Second, you get exclusive concierge service that provides assistance for hotel reservations, flight bookings, exclusive events, and so on. This may sound like a gimmick for some, but it can definitely save a lot of time if you travel much. The Revolut metal also allows you to spend, transfer, and exchange money with the best possible exchange rate. In addition to this, you get up to 600 euros of free ATM withdrawals per month, super fast money transfers, priority support, free express card delivery, free disposable virtual card, and airport lounge access at over 1,000 airports worldwide. One of the most important features to me personally, a free medical insurance. When you travel a lot, it's really nice to have a peace of mind that anything happens, you'll be covered. You also get a free travel delay insurance. Let's say your flight or baggage was delayed for more than 4 hours and you get £80 refund straight to your Revolut account. The metal also gives you a 20% discount for device insurance that includes worldwide coverage of screen or liquid damage and so on. Overall, the Revolut is an awesome app and metal makes it even better. It is a card that not only has an exceptional design, but it gives you a ton of benefits. In fact, Revolut is not a bank that tries to rip you off and charge a fee for every transaction. contrary, you get a free Revolut card if you use my link in the video description down below that will allow you to open up a free account in minutes from your phone, spend and transfer money abroad without rubbish rates, hold and exchange different currencies in the app, get instant spending analytics and insights, and much more. Again, check out the video description down below for the link, get a free Revolut card, and start saving.